wanted to quickly show you how you can add digital stickers to student work in Seesaw. So once you're in the program, you will see student assignments here. Now this is an All About Me book that I created that is in my TPT store that I've assigned to my sample student. Now this hasn't been completed yet, and once it does, it will show up here in activities and I will have a red notification that a student has turned in work for me to review. When that occurs, then I can go in and I can add a sticker to the assignment. So you go into the assignment, you click on these lower 3 dots in the lower right hand side, and you click on Edit Item. This will open the item, and then here you'll see all the different pages. So depending upon where you want to put the sticker, I usually add them to the front side. You click on the camera here and you click on Upload. Once you click there, I'm going to go to desktop, which is where I've put a copy of my stickers so I can find them easily. I love this dynamite sticker that I created, so I will put this in here. And because the students will see the whole slide, you can actually put it anywhere on the page. So I would just add that here, and then I would click this green check mark, and then it would save the item, and then it would go into the student's journal with the sticker on the front cover. And that's it. That's all you do.